going on? Welcome back to another episode of 904 Fishing. We are out here at the Lakeshore dock. I've got all my poles set up behind me. I cast those out before I started the intro. We're using live shiners. They're about yay big. We're using those for bait today. It's been raining pretty much all day, and it looks like we've got more rain going on in the distance there, as you can see with the clouds behind me and whatnot. But hopefully we can still hook up into some catfish and get that big winter cat like I did last year. Whoa. No way! On the tiny rod, babe. You want to get the other camera? Oh my god, is this real life? On the tiny rod. Our first fish is on the tiny rod. And it's a catfish. Nice. Alright, let's go ahead and get him up here. Nice hook set too. Alright, so you gotta be careful with these little fish here because their spines are a lot sharper. As they get older, they dull, but when they're young like this, the spines right here are super sharp. So you gotta be careful. Alright, we're gonna let this guy go. Ready? Super dark too, super dark. Alright. Babe, go, get it. Wait. There was two big thumbs. I really didn't check it. Let's see what we got. Let's get it up here. Oh, middle. Wait. Yeah. Get it. Oh, middle. Wait. Yeah. Get it. Go. Just reel. There you go. You feel something? No? Damn, again? Go. Get it. There you go. What do we got? A catfish? Oh, drag screaming. You tighten it down just a smidge.
What?
The drag. You wanna? Here, I'll jump down there real quick. Hang on. Oh, you've never caught a catfish?
Not that I remember.
Okay, so pick them up. You wanna grab them?
Like that?
You can grab them just like that with your one hand, with your fins up under it. So you don't get stuck by the barbs and you can control them. You're fine, go ahead. There you go, perfect. It's a circle hook, so you gotta take it out. All right, good job, babe. There's your fish, boom. It's super dark fish. The colors on it, super black. Overall, not too bad. We're gonna take a picture, send him back. All right, we're gonna go for the release on this guy. There he goes, back down, covered in slime, fantastic. All right, this was the bait of choice for tonight. We've got some live shiners. These are the little ones, and I shut off the aerator so that we can see them. But there you go, just a little live shiner. 2 ounce weight, 4 ounce circle hook, and sent them out. We started the night with 2 dozen shiners, and we have 3 left. I did drop like 1 or 2 in the water, but that's fine. Whoa. Oh, that feels like a heavier one. Come on. Oh, it's not a bad one. It's a little bigger. Oh yeah, look at that. That's a pretty decent size one. You getting it?
Yeah.
Nice. Sick. Be good. Oh wow, look at that. Popped right out.
Right here.
Good stuff. So, 3rd catfish of the night. Best one so far, I think, in my opinion. Super fat. I mean, look at the belly on that guy. Super fat. But we're going to let him go and hopefully try to catch another one just before the sun goes down. Good stuff. We're packing up. you for watching this episode of 904 Fishing. We went out there, we had a ton of fun, we caught a ton of stuff. The water I think was still too cold. We missed probably 3 or 4 bites, and I think the reason we missed those bites was because the water was like 52, 53 degrees. I threw out the deeper and saw that, so I think the fish they're not quite into feeding mode yet, even the catfish. They were not committing, so that's unfortunate. But I still have not heard from Eric Cox. So if I don't hear from him by this Wednesday, I will pick a new winner and I will announce it this Friday. Today is Monday, or at least you're seeing this on Monday. We'll do all that. But thank you guys so much for watching. If you are not subscribed, please click subscribe, click like, thumbs up, all that. Tell your friends. See you guys next time.